Hey kid, yeah, you. The first neuron firing in full speed. All synapses crisp and clear. Sit down, let me tell you a story. I'm old-brained, not just by age. I'm aged, worn, crinkled, from choices that seemed harmless at the time. I wasn't always like this. I used to be sharp, snappy, a real powerhouse. But then habits crept in, and they wore me down piece by piece. Let me warn you, so you don't end up like me. It started with food. All those sugary, crispy snacks, those microwave meals, sugary delights. They seemed innocent, right? But they were ultra-processed junk. Little inflammation remains. They didn't just feed the body. They fed decay. My circuits dulled. My neurons slowed. That's when the fog started. Then came sleep. I used to think sleep is for the weak. I pulled all-nighters, scrolled late into the night. But while I stayed up, my toxins didn't clear. Beta amyloid built up like sticky cobwebs. You know where they lead through air? Alzheimer's, the rat. Then I stopped moving. I got cozy on the couch. Day in, day out. I traded blood flow and growth factors for TV reruns. My hippocampus, once a lean memory machine, shrunk. Exercise was my missed miracle. Don't make the same mistake. And stress? Let me tell you, stress is a silent assassin. I lived in it. Emails, deadlines, bad news, 24/7. Cortisol flooded me, and my emotional centers broke down. You can't function well when in panic, and when panic is in your operating system. I stared at screens too long, not to learn, just to scroll, endlessly. Blue light at night, dopamine hits on a loop. My attention frayed. Sleep got worse. My focus gone. Worst of all, I went quiet. I stopped learning new things. I didn't read, didn't laugh with friends, didn't play. And that was the death knell. Without simulation and connection. I atrophied. Isolation aged me faster than any virus. But you're still young. You've got time to change the narrative. Choose real food, move your body, protect your rest, laugh, learn, love. Don't just exist, engage. Because the habits you choose today, they write the code for your future. Don't let your story end like mine.